How to turn on two-factor authentication on Gmail. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on two-factor authentication for your Gmail account. It's one of the easiest and best ways to protect your email and personal info from hackers, and it only takes a few minutes. Let's dive in. First, go to myaccount.google.com and sign in using your Gmail address and password. On the left menu, click on Security. Then scroll down until you see Two-Step Verification under the section How you sign into Google. Click on it. Now click the blue Get Started button. Google might ask you to re-enter your password. Go ahead and do that. Next, enter your phone number. This is how you'll receive your second-step verification code. Check your phone for a 6-digit code, type it in, and click Verify. If everything looks good, hit Turn On, and you're done. Two-step verification is now active on your Gmail. Want even more security? Scroll down to set up an Authenticator app, backup codes, or even a security key. These options come in handy if you lose access to your phone. And that's it. You've officially made your Gmail account way more secure. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy tech tips. Drop any questions in the comments. I'd love to help out. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.